So today we're looking at the TTfone TT150. Let's open it up and have a look. So we have the TTfone TT150 and a SIM card. SIM card's optional and you can have it provided with some credit on it already so that you can get started straight away. So inside the case for this one, we've got the phone itself and a USB charging cable. You can order the phone with an optional charger or save a few pounds by ordering the phone and just a cable. There's also the paperwork in here, including a very good instruction manual that shows you everything you need to know to get started. The TT150 is available in 3 different colours, black, red or blue, and I have the blue model here today. So inside the phone, we've got space for 2 different SIM cards and space for a memory card. There are 2 SIM card slots, but you only have to use one. You don't have to use both of them. And the phone is unlocked, so it should work with most major networks. The menu is really simple to navigate and easy to understand, just using the central dial. So the TTfone TT150, a brilliant mobile for anyone who wants to detox from a smartphone, or for children or first-time mobile users. The TT150. So find out more and order yours at TTfone.com. The link is in the description.